Hey gang, Anthony Redhead August Radzikavich here, and I wanted to let you know about something that I'm doing with the Advanced Cyber Systems Lab at Gateway Community College. I am going to be holding on September 9th at 6 o'clock a car hacking workshop. What I'll be covering in this is vehicle communications via the CAN bus. I'll be explaining what in the world that is, what the OBD2 connector is, what traffic goes through there, how sensors work, and then we will look at capturing that traffic, analyzing what those pieces of data mean, those packets that are flying all over this network mean, dissecting them and then replaying them into the car to effectuate a very specific behavior. All right. Now, if that interests you, getting into the introduction of car hacking, you really ought to join us. I'm super excited to be hosting this workshop, and I look forward to seeing you there.